gonna do the movements. You're not serious.
What?
Oh, I can do the second leg.
It's like,
So what are your hobbies? Oh, I can do the second leg.
oh, that's terrible.
How did I come up with that? What was I doing again?
Oh, you were, oh, I was saying, I was like, oh, oh, you were dancing, I was like, oh,
How was I
Amanda
dancing?
up in the club, and then it suddenly developed an accent.
How was I dancing?
I don't know,
I don't know. That's not it.
it was like Turgid Blue or something.
Dude, for the part where doesn't she have a fan in like?
I don't remember.
I thought she had a fan. You can use this,
I think she does.
or you can just. I mean, yeah, you know.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Sophisticated.
When she's like eating the chocolate, she's
Yeah.
like,
Let's get down to business to defeat the Huns.
now when you make faces like that.
Frasiers.
Have I sent to you that one thing I do with Let It Go?
No.
I always do and I don't know why. I was like, let it go.
Let it go.
Put it back anywhere. I like go, I don't like stop there though.
I started talking to the walls. What's hanging there, Joan? Dang. You were doing good. Stop.
You do that really good. I'm not afraid.
I thought you were smiling.
I marked these pages for a reason. I don't know which is which.
What do you mean now? What's right now? Oh, Jesus Christ, that scared me! You scared me!
Is that my older brother?
I don't know.
I think it's him and something.
Oh. You should say that.
Go away,
What is it? Okay, how does it go? It's like, I can't. Like that.
Enunciate. Just the face you made.
I would sit next to you, but then I had to bring the computer closer. Wait, why don't I do that?
No, I interrupted Barry the Sleepy.
You know how, like, if you dig too deep in the ground, you'll end up in China? If you dig too deep in Alyssa, you end up home. I don't know.
That's terrifying.
Alternate dimension. Oh, I get it, because, like, you're, oh, wait. Because, like, babies don't come from babies come from vaginas, and if you go into
From
deep...
Uteruses. Scares me. Is it uteruses or is it like uteri?
Oh my god, don't be all Lisa on me. She asked me if it was peni, not penises. That made them peni.
Who would say that? like every time you don't want to do it. Like,
I can't. Oh my god.
Mr. Bell, like, come on, man, I know you can do this.
I just break out in song. Oh my god. Cannot be done.
If that were to happen, if I was the teacher that you did that to, I'd be like, oh, geez, okay.
Mr. Fallon's trying to calm me down from like physics. There's so much fear. You're not safe.
Use the power of physics. Have you seen that one video of Dan is Not on Fire where he's just saying that like geometry's like useless? Like, when has anyone ever been saved by geometry? And then like someone's trying to prompt him and he's like, that's okay, I'll save myself with the power of triangles. And it like hits triangles. It's like tube, 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 tube. Harassment. Have you seen that one thing? It's like someone sent that like a knock knock joke to their friend.
No.
And it was like, knock knock, who's there? You who? You who? Big silver.
So Harold. No problem. Hello? Harold?
Yeah.
I want to tell you a joke.
Okay.
Okay. Knock knock.
Who's there?
You.
Me. Wait. You who?
Yoo-hoo! You! I wrote a joke on second whistle. Yoo-hoo! Big summer blowout!
Okay.
Alyssa made me laugh and she started laughing.
Oh my god.
That's pretty much it.
Okay.
Yoo-hoo! Big summer blowout!
Hello?
Hi. I want to tell you a joke.
What?
I want to tell you a joke.
Okay.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
You.
You.
No, you have to say yoo-hoo.
You who?
Yoo-hoo! Big summer blowout!
I don't get it.
What? No, you can't!
You get
I
it?
don't get it.
It's like from Frozen. It's like, yoo-hoo, big summer blowout.
I don't get it.
Jesus Christ, David! It's from Frozen.
Maybe we should get it. Wait, what is it though?
It's from Frozen. You know the guy in the shop?
Oh yeah.
Yoo-hoo,
Oh my God.
big summer blowout.
That is a
Okay.
good buddy. Hello?
Benny, I want to tell you a joke.
Yes?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
You.
You who?
Yoo-hoo! Big summer blowout! That's all I wanted to tell you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright. No, wait.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
You.
You.
Yoo-hoo! Big summer blowout!
I don't get it.
What?
Oh my god, you're the second person not to get it.
Technology! That's Alyssa fapping. Stop! It makes me mad when you push my buttons. Stop pushing my buttons, you're making me mad! I'm just kidding. Why does he laugh at me? He mocks me. He's cussing a lot.
Watch your mouth.
Watch your mouth! You broke it. Whoa. Can I do that? Can I do that on here?
Have I lost
I'm gonna do it.
I lost it. Oh, dang.
I'm just kidding. Well, I'm gonna give Benny a weird look. In bed. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
That's what he gives you when you're being raped.
Oh, yay.
No. I'm in Alyssa's bed with her. I'm in Alyssa's bed with her. Do you hear that? That's a vibrator.
Oh, no.
I'm just kidding.
That's not at all what it is.
It sounds like it. You have a vibrating screwdriver.
Hello?
Yeah. Yeah, I wanted to tell you a joke.
Okay.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
You.
You who?
Yoo-hoo! Big summer blowout.
Really?
Man, you had a good reaction. There were some people that had really gross reactions.
Who else is there? It's not like somebody's laughing in the background.
Oh, that's me. I'm just kidding. That's Alyssa.
Oh,
I'm in her bed with her.
that's
Just-
normal.
She has a vibrator.
Oh my god, it's not. Why you say that?
She doesn't like talking about these things. She's shy.
No.
I'm just kidding. She's getting so mad at me.
Your house?
No, I'm at her house. We're practicing for like this town show.
No.
Dang, Jesus Christ! She's so sassy right now with her freaking fan. I'm just kidding.
We'll fight over the computers.
Alyssa's, she's Mexican, so I have to translate for her.
Como estas?
Where is it?
For sure.
Oh wait, that doesn't make sense. I just. You do it so violently.
Okay. What did I tell you?
I turned around and she was like there. That was not okay.